Biafra nọ na mba dị iche iche ọ bụla eziokwu maka na nwanne dị na mba ọ bụla ife mere eme na onye njenje kakwa onye isi awa mmanụ n'ụwa ọ bụla ife mere eme na na-amalụgo elu na tata bụ ụbọchị dị ebube ọ bụla eziokwu maka na ukwu ụkwụ na-agba okwu n'oke a na-abụ igu kaba ji anọ onwebe aka n'ọkwanụ tata bụ 29 Novemba 2025 n'ọkwanụ tata merie otu afọ ndị Biafra gbakọtara n'ala Finland ọ bụla eziokwu wee kwupụta wee kwusie ike maka obodo afọ anyị bụ USB ọ bụla ife mere eme maka na akwụdola eze ochie n'elu ụwa na gidigidi bụ ukwu eze ọ bụla ife mere eme na-ezu oke ahụ elu ude na-atọtụ ngịga mmụọ ma nchabi ahụ ndị nwụrụ anwụ n'egwu nwanne malụ nwanne ya ka anyị na ọ bụla ife mere eme n'ọkwanụ tata ka United States of Biafra bụrụ isi obodo niile ọ bụla eziokwu na na-amalụgokwe maka na na-enwe obodo enwe ọ bụla ife mere eme na-enwere nnukwu mmanwụ enweli oti mgbu na-enwere nnukwu mmanwụ enweli oti mgbu na-enwe ndị na-eme obodo nkiri Nwada Tina ijele nwanyị weba mmanwụ Asati na nwanyị ọma ọkwụla ọkalịsịa Nwada Tina ijele nwanyị weba mmanwụ Asati na nwanyị ọma agbara aka ibi ya ogo ọkwụla ọkalịsịla ibe nwanyị mma weba mmanwụ n'ọkwanye ya si mụ bụrụ ukwu ekene ka mụ kene nne mụrụ Biafra Freedom ọ bụla eziokwu Dr. Ngozi Orabueze agụ nwaanyị bịa kenelio omenke afọ n'anya Ezinne Biafra gị ka mụ na-akpọ gị ka mụ na-ekene ekene onye ọma na ike ekene ya agụnya bụ onye ọ bụla eziokwu ịmalụgo na ekene na-eme ọghata ọba ekene n'ụwa ọghọlụ njide ọ bụla ife mere eme na mụ keneli ya ekene ọnụ n'ife imere anyị elikakwa nne ma ha ama ya na famasi Diana na ndị USB kabineti niile ekene mụ na-agala unu niile n'ọkwa na unu pịawalụ ndị fọbak na ndị fọdipụ azụ maka na a na-esiri onye nwere Igbo bụ ngone n'ụwa bụla ife mere eme onye karịrị mmadụ n'ife akarịghokwu ya na mmụọ ọ bụla eziokwu Biafra si na-ekenekwa gị n'ụzọ pụrụ iche ọ bụla eziokwu nne maka ijidesi mandeti anyị ike gụgbadosie ya ike wee mekwa ka ndị ilo niile kpọọ isi ala maka nkwupụta ekwupụtalụ USB ọ bụla ife mere eme jide ka iji nne m ụlọ ọla maka na onye asị ya jide ka o ji na-eme mma n'ọkụ akịrị gị bụ nne n'aka ya kwa na-elegbu gị ị na-anụ onu ehi jide ka iji nne m ụlọla ezinne n'isikwa m bụrụ ekene n'ụba aka m bunye USB prezidenti onye ndu Maazị Nnamdi Kanu Ọhamadike Biafra mmanwụ ndị ilo agụ na onwe ya bịa kenele ịbịa n'ụlọ n'ugwu agbanwe dịka izu agbaghalị anya agbanwe dịka izu n'elu ụwa agbaghalị anya ọ bụla eziokwu ụkwa ndị ilo chi n'aka ọ na-ejezuba arụ ọ bụla ife mere eme odudu kodu mmanwụ ndị ilo na-atụ egwu dịka teghete ikwere anyị nkwa na ya akwa na-agbakọta anyị azụ ọ bụla ife mere eme iwe dobekwenye bụ ibe ikwuru wee na-eme ya ọ bụla eziokwu anyị bụ ụmụ Biafra gbasiri ike na anyị ekwe na-echefu ife ọma imere anyị n'elu ụwa ma ncha maka na anyị agwa na abụ bekee nyechalụ ndị obula ọkụtụ ị na-abịa mgbọsị agụ ụgbọbalị hazi asaba ụba aka ka njụdị ya ma ajụjụ n'ifụrụ anyị n'anya nke ukwuu wee ruo n'ihe edosanwụrụ anyị ndụ gị n'agbanyeghị mgba ndị ilo na-agba nne mụrụ Biafra Dr. Ngozi Orabueze na-asị gị ọ sị gaa mara akịkị gị gaa ma mana jijiji na anya bụ ife ị na-achọ n'ihi nweta gị ọ bụla eziokwu anya bụ ife ị na-achọ n'olugokweni gị aka anya bụ ife ị na-achọ n'olugo gị aka ekene ekenelu m onye ọma ndị Aba ekene ekenelu m onye ọma ndị Aba asị m ekene ekenelu m USB Prime Minister Maazị Simon Ekpa mmanwụ m ọbata obi the carrier of the new dimension odogwu n'eli mmanwụ na-abọ diketegete the 50 men in one mmanwụ ezuru mmadụ ịtọ asị m na odogwu ezuru mmadụ ịtọ bịa kirie na Agaba the ambassador of peace mmanwụ ndị ilo mmanwụ onye na-edowe iwu obodo ọbụla eziokwu asati Naịjirịa nwaanyị na chi ga-akenu na-asị na ọ bụ gị bụ isi abụrụ wee kwawa okwu maka na kama ife ya emekwe n'isi na n'ụwa ya kwuru okwu ọbụla eziokwu n'ọnụ sukwe na ana m ejina n'ụwa ka m kwuo m okwu na ọkwanụ gị bụ releasing of the season ọbụla eziokwu n'ikwele ụmụ Biafra na nkwa n'ikwele ụmụ Biafra nkwa na nwere onwe anyị ya abịa n'arọ 5 na o mechakwala ime n'agbanyeghị na ndị iro bịara ogboro gị n'otu izu ụka tupu eme convention kama wee kwụsị nkwupụta USB ọbụla eziokwu mana fa mara na aka na-ekpuchirekwa n'ọnwa n'elu ụwa ọbụla ife mere eme n'ife ya abụghị abụkwa n'ihe ọbụla eziokwu na ife akwa n'aka na-ejirokwe n'ugogbe n'ihe mana tata Dr. Ngozi Orabueze agụ nwaanyị Dr. Ngozi Orabueze na ụmụ Biafra na-asị gị ga-amakwana jijiji mmanwụ be m n'ife ahụ ibidolu n'ihi mezuokwe n'ihe anyị bụ ndị Biafra na anyị ekwere nchekwa ifeọma imere anyị nwanne m maka na iwere onwe gị ịchụ aja ka o wee dịrị anyị na mma gijisi ike na Chukwu gala ụwa ya akwụghị ụgwọ mmanwụ ndị iro USB enyegokwa anyị nyaba identity ọbụla eziokwu na anyị sikwa na ekene niile ka alụ agụ nwaanyị Dr. Ngozi Orabueze maka na o ji okpo ofufie wee chekwa anya bụ mandeti anyị ọbụla ife mere eme n'ọkwa ya bụ nne nwere onwe anyị ọbụla eziokwu anyị ekenele gị agụ nwaanyị na anụ ehi ekene niile ga-alụ gị n'ịgbanye igogweni n'afa ndị Biafra niile na ndị fụrụ nwere onwe n'anya nwadati Naịjirịa nwaanyị na-asị ka Chukwu okike abịa ma gọzie anyị niile ọ na-asị ka Chukwu okike abịa ma gọzie ndị ndu anyị ehi ọ na-asị ka Chukwu okike abịa ma gọzie USB cabinet members ọbụla eziokwu ndị tinyere ije ọkpa ndị tinyere okwu ọnụ ndị na-arụsi ọrụ ike kababụ na anyị na-alụrụ ube anyị kababụ na anyị na-alụrụ ube anyị wee kwuru n'onwe anyị ogologo ndụ na-arụ isi ike ise Biafra abịago Biafra abịago.
Wow, Asadina, this is wonderful, to be honest with you. I just love the way you organize it. Very special thanks to you. A very special thanks to you. You already you say USB is USB ever. That is true. Thank you so much, my sister. You did a very wonderful job. And the person that that organized this video, I think the guy is very, very wonderful, to be honest. When they got you did a very wonderful job. He said, and Nelson Mark, I'm happy to see you because you are one of the reasons why we are here, because of your comment. I'm here to talk about the comment on my video yesterday. This is Sunday, the 30th of November, 2025, a day after the celebration of USB anniversary Independent Day. but the celebration continued. Because I said that a day after, no, it continued. So some people, of course, like always, you expect that kind of thing to happen. They have decided to say one or two things. Next Mark, I see your comment. When I tell us that I don't joke with the comment, I'm not capping. I'm just serious about it. I'm the kind of person that loves to know what you think about each of my video. If you put comment, maybe I did not reply your comment, does not mean that I did not see it. I read it, unless if the comment is too many. I will try my best to scan through all of them. All right. Sometimes I may skip, but I'm not always. I devote my time. So the video that I published yesterday, I woke up this morning. I said, okay, let me just go through my comments. And while scrolling down, I started seeing some unhealthy comment that doesn't worth it. Some people, like I know, if you watch the military parade video that I published here, I said something there that some way. But I don't want to say, to talk much on that video because the video is very long. I think 40 something minutes. It's even more than I just managed to end it there. It's too many. All right. So this morning we are going to go through it. I'm here with my brother Exodus TV. Today our prayer section we shifted it to next week. So we are going to utilize this opportunity to open the mic. You can join us and air your own opinion. I want us just to have time together this morning, this hour. We are going to spend that time together and we will go through all the reaction. Maybe, please, let me beg you, if you are from the negative side of the whole thing, okay, if you are from negative, maybe you are somehow with Ogengere, or maybe you have fall back and fall back again. Maybe let's say you fall back 10 times. I don't know how many deep you are commenting from, and you want your voice to be heard. Maybe you have one powerful opinion that you actually want to air out and you don't know how to insult the person. This is your opportunity to come and challenge. It's open mic to negative people and positive people. Come now, let us hear from you. But before then, I have to welcome my brother Exodus TV, a very good brother. Let me remove my comment from you, my brother. You are a wonderful guy, very wonderful person. Very, very wonderful guy. And we are here together this morning to you, maybe afternoon or evening, to do justice to some of the comments and some of the reactions. So if you don't know, like what something I did, maybe if you know how to do it, you can come here and send your shout out. You understand? To USB government and to Biafran. Maybe there's somebody working in USB government that is not people are not appreciating the person, and you want to call the person out and send your greetings to the person. You can join us and do that as well. Or maybe there's one prayer point that you want to declare and wish to our people or anybody. You can join us and do that as well. But I want us to have time before I will send my link. We are going to go through the comments from Umokoko. But before then, let me welcome my brother Exodus. You're welcome, one name, and I have the mic.
Well, thank you so much. Thank you, Mazikai. Happy Sunday to you. One number. The one that I have fully respect and fully trust. Happy Sunday to you.
The same to you, one number.
Somebody kill. A friend in need and a friend indeed. Chukuna Bozegi Mazika report and happy Sunday to happy Sunday to Genubia, France, all over the world. Then in our comment section, I greet you all. I can see Masatina, I can see Frank Ibe, I can see Nelson Mark, I can see Ben Iwu, and the ones that I can manage to see here, I can see Chuku Sunday. You guys are great. You guys are wonderful. All over the world. I salute each and every one of you. Understand? So, and he said, I want to use this opportunity to thank God. Only America we're watching today. Or by our power, or by our might, but it's all by His grace. Because in Him we live, in Him we move, and in Him we have our being.
That's true.
Now this is Jamaica and Agapaniru. If you just watch out now, I'm on a happy independence anniversary. So, and this is something like, it's like kind of a dream. I'm when the can I make a sim or when I rock and I rock, or when then after I can see if no way dream. Now when it's happening. It's happening. No way go. Biafra has been redeclared. You ought to go. I already declared square also. Redeclare go and redeclare go. So they didn't after the redeclaration. Now after always good. When I allow them, can after wear that way. I have an argument to do with them, but the never believe for Abraham Porona have to good any this government to get us to good Lucia. I respond back to them. We will come out and respond back to them. And that is one of the best things right from day one. I never knew him before the time mafia on with the facts, with the figures. With a matter like this, you only got the opportunity to everybody. So come and air your view. If you have a superior argument, the way you understand things, you bring it on the table. So we coming about United States of Biafra. One thing I know about United States of Biafra is united we stand. And after United States of Biafra as something, we the people. I'm just saying my mind. I'm also so I'm after that now one this is a new nation, an identity God has given unto us. We used to be with the Nigerian government before, right? I now be with the Nigerian government. And with the Nigerian government, the government himself is an evil government. Government in their citizens. Government in army, when police, when navy, when forces, when mopo. But they cannot even chase away like kind of invaders, terrorists, they fail on that aspect. Government in staff with their citizens. Government that cannot even give their citizens job. They go to university itself again, they go on. All over the world. Most of us are jail all over the world because of bad government. Now, in the midst of all this suffering, in the midst of Afufuni and we are the opportune, we agree together. Now I need our own nation. And we agreed together and got a referendum, referendum. Then we now give mandate to the government, go and give us Biafra. Then they declared Biafra. And then when the people, evidence not there. After the declaration, and then when some individuals now be about that declaration, one for me, it doesn't make sense to me. It doesn't make sense to me. No matter how Hannah Mock that USB, for me, and my Futan and Hannah Mock their life, and my Futan and Hannah Mock USB and Mock their generation, and the anyone now will show why we can never be part of them because probably no black on this movement and when no black na you go. We watch on this movement and United States of Biafra. What stand for peace? What stand for fairness? What stand for equity and justice? And what stand for progress? So only way Biafra. Umune no mona. Kaina go no one is yoku. But every day I got better impartation towards one another. It doesn't make sense to me. So only way Biafran. No matter how you claim that you love Manzana Nikalo. No matter how you claim that you love PM Samenepa, no matter how you even claim that you love Dr. Ngozi Arabeze or maybe Kai or maybe Mua or maybe this Biafra movement, Abeba Leganya, you're only one ambassador of peace. Abeba Leganya and Kurena Meta, you want ambassador of fairness. Abeleganya, you want equity and justice. Abeleganya, you didn't progressive near one for me, on your way fake Biafra. All the more I couldn't for time, give me a more fake. You know, Kai couldn't for game and a Kai who fake. We know blow. We must represent that United States of Biafra representative. You take my point. So you come anywhere Biafra now. May we touch a quick now. May we touch a buy again now. One him gonna Kamana me who go new do. Kamana me the fair. Kamana me with equity and justice. Kamana me the progressive. Eba Kabma. And they have get you when I mark your wine. So you all are welcome tonight. Camera for us in today's table. Then can you God bless us all. I salute you.
Ndewo, Reverend Exodus. My people, you can see his channel's name. In case if you don't know him, maybe you are one of those that are like, oh, who is this guy? Who is this man? I have not seen his face before. This is his channel. All right, so you can go and do justice to that. You know what I mean by that. I'm not saying you should go and bring your woman there, no, but at least your support is needed. You understand? No, we make age for work. Maz, thank you, Maz, thank you. We are solidly behind you. I thought if we're gonna shake. But we don't need such people. If you see, one thing about the truth is that after saying you go to your bed and sleep in peace, you know that God of justice is there for you. What the Master can tell my God is God of justice. My God, I serve God of justice. There's a lot of meaning behind that statement. And truly, that God of justice is at wake. Is awake. He's not sleeping. God of justice is awake and is doing everything judiciously. Because today, Master is in Sokoto, and that God is there in Sokoto. And I'm not going Sokoto now. Do you understand? How many days of Master in Sokoto? Obitugo waking with minds of the dojo. Some of them will ask that now. Bad company corrupt good morale. When you are in the midst of your job, the tendency of your job to be high, or very high. In the midst of bad people, bad company. Before you know it, you yourself become bad. That your decency, that your good character will be corrupted. But if you have somebody who is born for truth, somebody who is like he's out there just to be preaching good news, the moment you come to pollute that person, that good spirit overshadow your own. On the FF. Utaki for justice if a Master can get an F gassing them mad informer. Ndika with conscience. Even Mandik how good ourselves is capable of waking them up. Okay, somebody, a man in charge of a Sokoto prison. But I now working at night. Now, yeah, the wrong person came and arrest. Not wrong person. And two people are resigned from that prison ward. Two people are resigned. Maybe I will publish that video later. Two people have resigned. Because just think about it. By now, I said, I can appeal that. And I have 2 by 2 easy. And I was one Bible verse. I can't remember that verse now. If somebody can lay a curse on another person. Luther says, instead of you lay a curse or bless was the person. And I said, we called you to lay curse now. You are here to lay curse. I said that no. Now I have to follow my mind. My mind told me to bless the blessing. But I'm prepared to go there and lay curse. So that's your mission, to go and lay curse. Luther says, so first you lay curse. It is a first to eat a brother. God's was there. Because if you got funny phone on the FF. So my people, you are welcome, and make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. As I think I have to thank you again for this short video. It's short too, but it's very, very powerful. A very explosive one. We have, in fact, from time to time we will be playing it here. I love that. I love that jingle. Very, very important. Very, very important. You did a very wonderful work there. Next Mark. In fact, when if I am a pass, I will find them in a class in the one. I boy again. Let's just let's just go back to that, please. Please, my people, let's just one more time, please. Very important.
We want that dancing and I know ya then. About believe family. No give. We want that dancing and I know ya then. No get what my about believe family. No give me no work and boobetie. Na taa bụ ụbọchị ọmụmụ Biafra Freedom ọ bụla ife mere eme. Akụkọ ọka mụ na-akọlụ na onye na-egedo ntị ọmalụ. Ụbọchị ibe dị ebube mere na ndụ ụmụ Biafra nọ na mba dị iche iche ọ bụla eziokwu. Maka na nwanne dị na mba ọ bụla ife mere eme. Onye njenje kakwa onye isi awa mmanụ n'ụwa ọ bụla ife mere eme na na-amalụgo elu. Na tata bụ ụbọchị dị ebube ọ bụla eziokwu. Maka na ukwu na-agba okwu n'ụka na biko kaba ji anụ onwe aka. N'ọkwanụ tata bụ 29 November 2025. N'ọkwanụ tata merie otu afọ ndị Biafra gbakọtara n'ala Finland ọ bụla eziokwu. Wee kwupụta wee kwusie ike maka obodo ọfụ anyị bụ USB ọ bụla ife mere eme. Maka na akwụdola eze ochie n'elu ụwa na gidigidi bụ ugwu eze ọ bụla ife mere eme na-ezu oke ahụ elu ude na-atọtụ ngịga mmụọ ma nchabi ahụ ndị nwụrụ anwụ. N'egwu nwanne malụ nwanne ya ka anyị na ọ bụla ife mere eme. N'ọkwanụ tata ka United States of Biafra bụrụ isi obodo niile ọ bụla eziokwu na na-amalụgokwe. Maka na a na-enwe obodo enwe ọ bụla ife mere eme na-enwere nnukwu mmanwụ enweli oti mgbu. Na-enwere nnukwu mmanwụ enweli oti mgbu na-enwe ndị na-eme obodo nkiri. Nwada Tina ijele nwanyị weba mmanwụ. Asati na nwanyị ọma ọkwụlụ ọkalịsịa. Nwada Tina ijele nwanyị weba mmanwụ. Asati na nwanyị ọma agbara aka ibi ya ogo. Ọkwụlụ ọkalịsịa ọkalịsịla ibe nwanyị mma weba mmanwụ. N'ọkwanụ ya si mụ bụrụ ukwu ekene ka mụ kene nne mụrụ Biafra Freedom ọ bụla eziokwu. Dr. Ngozi Arabueze agụ nwaanyị bịa kelelio. Omenke afọ n'anya, omenke afọ n'anya. Ezinne Biafra gị ka mụ na-akpọ gị ka mụ na-ekene. Ekene onye ọma na ike ekene ya agụnya bụ onye ọ bụla eziokwu. Ịmalụgo na ekene na-eme ọghata obe ekene n'ụwa welu njide ọ bụla ife mere eme. Na mụ keneli ya ekene ọnụ n'ife imere anyị elikakwa nne ma ama. Ya na famasi Diana na ndị USB kabineti niile ekene mụ na-agala unu niile. N'ọkwanụ unu pịawalụ ndị fọbak na ndị fọdipụ azụ. Maka na a na-esiri onye nwere Igbo bụ ngone n'ụwa bụla ife mere eme. Onye kalịrị mmadụ n'ife akalighokwu ya na mmụọ bụla eziokwu. Biafra si na-ekenekwa gị n'ụzọ pụrụ iche ọ bụla eziokwu nne maka ijidesi mandeti anyị ike gụgbadosie ya ike. Wee mekwa ka ndị ilo niile kpọọ isi ala maka nkwupụta ekwupụtalụ USB ọ bụla ife mere eme. Jide ka iji nne m ụlọ ọla maka na onye asị ya jide ka o ji na-eme mma. N'ọkụ akịrị gị bụ nne n'aka ya kwa na-elegbu gị ị na-anụ onu ehi. Jide ka iji nne m ụlọ ọla ezinne. N'isikwa m bụrụ ekene n'ụba aka m bunye USB prezidenti onye ndu Maazị Nnamdi Kanu Ọhamadike Biafra mmanwụ ndị ilo. Agụ na onwe ya bịa kenele ịbịa n'ụlọ n'ugwu. Agbanwe dịka izu agbaghalị anya. Agbanwe dịka izu n'elu ụwa agbaghalị anya ọ bụla eziokwu. Ụkwa ndị ilo chi n'aka ọ na-ejezuba arụ ọ bụla ife mere eme. Odudu kodu mmanwụ ndị ilo na-atụ egwu dịka teghete. Ikwere anyị nkwa na ya akwa na-agbakọta anyị azụ ọ bụla ife mere eme. Iwe dobekwenye bụ ibe ikwuru wee na-eme ya ọ bụla eziokwu. Anyị bụ ụmụ Biafra gbasiri ike. Na nye ya ekwe na-echefu ife ọma imere anyị n'elu ụwa ma ncha ncha. Maka na anyị ya kwa na abụ bekee nyechalụ ndị obula ọkụtụ na-abịa. Mgbọsị agụ gbobalịrị aja asaba ụba aka ka njụ dị ama ajụjụ. n'ifụrụ anyị n'anya nke ukwuu wee ruo n'ihi edosanwụrụ anyị ndụ gị n'agbanyeghị mgba ndị ilo na-agba. Nne mụrụ Biafra Dr. Ngozi Orabueze na-asị gị, ọ sị gaa mara akịkị gị, gaa mara jijiji na anya bụ ife ị na-achọ n'ihi nweta gị ọ bụla eziokwu. Anya bụ ife ị na-achọ n'olugokweni gị aka. Anya bụ ife ị na-achọ n'olugo gị aka. Ekene ekenelu m onye ọma ndị Aba ekene ekenelu m onye ọma ndị Aba. Asị m ekene ekenelu m USB Prime Minister Maazị Simon Ekpa mmanwụ m ọbata obi the carrier of the new dimension odogwu n'eli mmanwụ na-abọ diketegete the 50 men in one mmanwụ ezuru mmadụ ịtọ. Asị m na odogwu ezuru mmadụ ịtọ bịa kirie na agaba the ambassador of peace mmanwụ ndị ilo mmanwụ onye na-edowe iwu obodo ọbụla eziokwu. Asati Naịjirịa nwaanyị na-achịrị gị aka elu na-asị na ọ bụ gị bụ isi abụrụ wee kwawa okwu maka na kama ife ya emekwe n'isi na n'ụwa ya kwuru okwu ọbụla eziokwu. N'ọnụ sukwe na ana ma ejina n'ụwa ka nkwuo m okwu na ọkwanụ gị bụ reason of the season ọbụla eziokwu. N'ikwere ụmụ Biafra na nkwa, n'ikwere ụmụ Biafra nkwa na nnwere onwe anyị ya abịa n'arọ 5 na o mechakwala ime. N'agbanyeghị na ndị iro bịara ogboro gị n'otu izu ụka tupu eme convention kaba wee kwụsị nkwupụta USB ọbụla eziokwu. Mana fa mara na aka na-ekpuchirekwa n'ọnwa n'elu ụwa ọbụla ife mere eme. N'ife ya bụ ya bụkwa n'ihe ọbụla eziokwu na ife akwa n'aka na-ejirokwe n'ugogbe n'ihe. Mana tata Dr. Ngozi Orabueze agụ nwaanyị Dr. Ngozi Orabueze na ụmụ Biafra na-asị gị gaa makwana akịkị gị, gaa makwana jijiji mmanwụ be m. N'ife ahụ ibidolu n'ihi mezuokwe n'ihe. Anyị bụ ndị Biafra na anyị ekwe na-echefu ife ọma imere anyị nwanne m maka na iwere onwe gị ịchụ aja ka o wee dịrị anyị na mma. Gị jisi ike na Chukwu gala ụwa ya akwụ gị ụgwọ mmanwụ ndị iro. USB enyegokwa anyị nyaba identity ọbụla eziokwu. Na anyị sikwa na ekene niile ka alụ agụ nwaanyị Dr. Ngozi Orabueze maka na o ji okpo ofufe wee chekwa anya bụ mandeti anyị ọbụla ife mere eme. N'ọkwa ya bụ nne nwere onwe anyị ọbụla eziokwu. Anyị kenele gị agụ nwaanyị na anụ ehi. Ekene niile ka alụ gị n'ịgbanye igogweni. N'afa ndị Biafra niile na ndị fụrụ nwere onwe n'anya, Nwadati Naịjirịa nwaanyị na-asị ka Chukwu okike abịa ma gọzie anyị niile. Ọ na-asị ka Chukwu okike abịa ma gọzie ndị ndu anyị eyi. Ọ na-asị ka Chukwu okike abịa ma gọzie USB cabinet members ọbụla eziokwu. Ndị tinyere ije ọkpa, ndị tinyere okwu ọnụ, ndị na-alụsi ọrụ ike ka fabụ na anyị na-alụrụ ube anyị. Kababụ na anyị na-alụrụ ube anyị wee kwuru n'onwe anyị ogologo ndụ na-arụ isi ike. Ise Biafra abịago, Biafra abịago.
All right. So that is from Asadena. Job well done. So let us quickly go to.
Great job indeed. Great job.
I'm telling you, please, guys, share this video. Help us and share it. Very, very important. Share it, and like the video in case if you have not. So let's quickly go to the program. Why we are here, in fact. Okay. So based on our comment on the comment that we received from the yesterday military parade video, we got these comments from Somumo Koko, Never Do Well People. And we are gonna start. I think I just had to take screenshot of them, just few of them to be honest. They happen to be many. As you can see here, this guy called Larry Gads said, Kai TV, Dr. Ngozi is making Biafran army look childish. She should clothe them with full military uniform, not ragtag army. Biafrans have been donating money for their upkeeps. Okay, and Christiana said, do you know how many bandits are in numbers? Do you know how many there are in numbers? In support of what this guy said. Okay, as you can see, this is the video that we published yesterday. Look at it, the United States of Biafran Military Parade, 29th November 2025. And some people decided to go gaga about it. Now, let me say something before Exodus, okay, let me allow Exodus to comment first. My brother, let me hear your comment on this. If this guy happened to be, let's say, he approached you and said this kind of thing, what would be your response?
Nah, yeah, this is one of them. This is one
of course,
them.
Yes.
This is Larry Gradus. Just check out his name himself. Larry Gradus. And I could want to talk about you saw when Dr. Ngozi Arabese flashed the government United States of Biafra flashed our forces there representing, honoring the day of independence, march, representing United States of Biafra that we redeclared in Finland 29th November 2024. And now international recognition is going on. Things are happening. And don't forget, we should not forget the days of little beginning, of our little beginning. This is just our little beginning. We are just kicking off. I just know ebido. This is 1 year anniversary. Nwatakịrị ga-egbe n'igwe. Igbechi igbe gị gawa ije before gị gbawazi ọsọ. So if this person is trying to mock or maybe to mock what the United States of Biafra is doing, and she's free to do that, or whether he or she is free to do whatever they want to do. But one thing we want to let them know, it doesn't matter about their criticism, all this nonsense criticism they are doing. And you're trying to say that you're making Biafra army look childish. Onye put that thing. You are only put that thing now. Are you the one? People are saying this kind of thing. They are not even contributing 1 cent to the United States of Biafra. Your money is not even being used in equipping the forces. Your money is not there. Your idea is not there. Your effort is not there. Your awareness is not even there. But they are only smart enough. It's only smart enough to criticize those that are trying to do something. Those that are trying to make effort. Now, this person that is trying to criticize Dr. Ngozi Arabese in the effort being made yesterday, what is that person's effort as a Biafran? Onye awe Biafran ko onye Hausa. Onye Biafran na-ekwu ihe ko onye Fulani na-ekwu ihe.
Onye Magwan. Onye Magwan.
Then onye awe Biafra, ya onye awe a Biafran citizen, ya onye anwu Igbo, ya mepro na-ekwu this kind of thing. Nigeria will happen to him. Nigeria will happen to him. Because do you know what it is for you to pull out this kind of thing that happened yesterday? Piece of Nigeria now. Nigeria is very, very tight. Economy is very, very bad. People self now told you. People self cannot even come out do something. Kidnappers everywhere, Ndojo everywhere. Still yet, the United States of Biafra was able to pull out what they put out yesterday. Instead of this guy going somewhere now, you guys are doing a wonderful job. This is just the little beginning, the days of little beginning. Forget not the days of the little beginning. Because time in the nearest future, I can make a video. I say, After the independence of United States of Biafra, so this, look at how we celebrated our 1 year anniversary. Look at how we look like. Look at how you look like. You take my point. Like it will first celebrate in Ghana this year. Next year is going to be different. Another next year is going to be different. Another next year is going to be different. How can I improve? So shame unto you, like the graduates. You have nothing to say. When the master, I use my mic.
God bless you. God bless you, my brother. You know, reason why I asked you to comment on it first is because I want to know if you like what I'm seeing. Is this, am I the only one seeing that? Somebody say no sound. Okay. Is it gonna please other there's sound, of course. Is it gonna please reconfirm if you can hear? Okay. Maybe you need to restart your system. Others can hear our voices. Maybe some days are like that. Check your gadget. I believe you should. It's from your side. You are welcome, though. You are welcome, and all of you on the comment section, you are welcome. So, comment like this: said Kai TV. Dr. Ngozi is making Biafra Army look childish. She should clothe them with full military uniform, not ragtag army. Biafra have been donating money for their upkeep. The thing is this. I know I'm a very, very polite person. You know, I don't like to insult. You have to insult yourself first. Then after insulting yourself, then it will now rain on you. Depending on the measure that you dish out, you will receive it. You know, every business person, you know, have one thing in mind to make profit. So if your business is to insult others, expect double profit. I cannot deny your right. It's your right to increase your profit. So if you want to insult yourself, no, you will receive insult, you know, in a million-fold. Now, people like Larry, this response is not about Larry, to be honest. It's about others who are thinking like Larry. That's why we are breaking it. I can ignore Larry on the comment section and just further ahead. But the truth is that there are many people who may not have the strength to talk, but in your mind you are just as Larry. Both of you are the same thing. So giving reply to this Larry, you know, of course, we do justice to your own curiosity as well, because we want to know. So replying to him, maybe it will help you to, you know, reset your own brain. You need to tell us how much you have contributed. Okay, let us know how the effort you have made to make sure that, because not when you say Biafrans are contributing, or 1 AJ, 2 AJ, 3 AJ, and some of you are busy telling other people, don't contribute, don't, because it's just she's a madam. What is the name of this thing? They said they said that what is it? Nigerian People's Club of Nigeria. People's Club of Nigeria. Oh, she's you know, she buy people. She buy people. Another person like this one down here who said something here. Christian said said, do you know how many bandits are in numbers? But when you hear recruitment, oh, don't go. Ngozi is handing you over to DSS. So she will be the one to create another human being to join. She will create another human being to support. Then you will ignore those who are discouraging other people to join. So think about it. Because you cannot just come out and discourage something, and now you come out again to ask questions. Why is he not like this, like that? People need to use their brain, for crying out loud, because you cannot just, after promoting, shouting like the other woman that always say, oh, nobody will. Next thing now, oh, because she don't have anybody, nobody. That is the only few people. Is it these people that will fight Buku? You don't even know how many are there in number. You don't even know that. You can't judge by the camera, right? And even if this is how many, the number of people that they have, you don't need to ignore the fact that some people are very, very bad, busy, using their platform to cajole and castigate, trying to drag or discourage people from doing what they're supposed to do. let's move forward because I have 13 comments here. Okay, this one said, let me go back a bit. Excuse me. Okay, no. This one said, Kai report. So you are a fool. What action have they taken against zoo military and police? Had it been what is going on, these people wouldn't have jailed Nnamdi Kanu. Now, Chimezie Chimereze Iwuji or something like that. Now, this I'm just trying to read your email, not your, maybe it's not your name. Can report after saying this nonsense. The question here is, this is from people who always want to see Woto. Woto department is here. Can report, where is Woto? Why are we not seeing Woto? You need to understand one thing. Woto that you want to see, you can you yourself in your own corner. You can start doing Woto. You can also, Woto is not restricted to one particular people. You can start your own Woto from your own angle, since you want Woto. And another thing is that you need to also understand that some people are waiting to see your brothers and sisters are waiting to attack you because of Woto. They are waiting to say one or two things because of Woto. They want to report you because of Woto. We are our own problem. And if you want Woto, like I said, that's your own opinion. You can want Woto, but remember, some are waiting to see Woto, especially people like you, who those of you that are constantly demanding for Woto. You are demanding for it because what you want to do with it, you are not seeing it. You want to record it and say that, oh, she's this, she's that. Imagine you not calling for Woto. You want Woto and all that because you want to see it, whether it's going on or not, I don't know. But you want to see it. You want me to send it to you, but you ignore some people saying that COS and USB government are recruiting in the Bonigwe. So you don't see things in that direction. You just want to see Woto. But there's somebody before you, in your presence now, telling the fans that Woto is all about is Ndoboniwe. You want people to label USB government as Ndoboniwe. Some say that the government is Oyoboniwe. That Biafrans are Ndoboniwe. That anybody supporting USB government is Oyoboniwe. People contributing for Ndoboniwe. Then you yourself, you pretend that you don't see such people. You don't question them, but you want to question why you don't see Woto. So how can you expect me now to believe that you are not one of those calling USB government and Biafra Ndoboniwe? Because you want to use that Woto as a proof to what you people are claiming. So to justify your claim, you want video evidence. That's why you keep on demanding for Woto. Until you reset your brain and come together and work together. If not, you are talking to yourself. That is my own response to that. Let's move forward. Exodus I think you are busy. That's why you off your camera. When you join us, let me know. One, okay. Now, this is another person. This one called Real Deal. Real Deal said, this is a joke. The parade numbers of men shown, the parade numbers of men shown coordination. If we need Biafra, you need to recruit about 2 million men. 2 million men and women gallant and get ready to fight on every front at the same time. I am not happy at all. Happy Independent Day, Biafrans. Mind you, I am a strong supporter of Biafran, a strong member of Autopilot, a strong member and a supporter of the Biafran government, Dr. Ngozi Oronbeze, as our acting prime minister. After United States of America have recognized, we also have a great battle to fight. So we should prepare for war. Our enemies are very formidable. That war will determine our boundary. Sometimes some people talk as if they just wake up, right? They like, you just wake up, you don't know what you're doing. And because of this, I'm not gonna reply you here anything here because I don't know what to tell you, since you say you're a supporter of USB government, you're a supporter of autopilot, you are this, you are that, and yet you can't reason. Then I don't think my response to you will make you to start reasoning, because your behavior is not actually something that I can be proud of. The woman, my favorite people, Udo the reggae. Thank you. I see you. That's from EJ. It should be Joma, right? I greet you, EJ. Udo the reggae. Now, we have other comments that I would like to share with us. Here we have this person called Duru Ebubogochukwu. Government agent. I know someone here who went for Imo State vigilante training for over 8 days now, and true, he is a local vigilante. How come you become Biafran army at the same time? Imo State paying you for vigilante. Why Ngozi Oronbeze? Why are you doing all this? Why? Please stop this nonsense. I beg you and your group. Now, from this one, you already know where this person is coming from. Should I tell you where this one is coming from? No, because I think you should know the mindset. You should know the mindset. People like this are those who tell you that everybody there talking to Ngozi Oronbeze is Bubagu. That Ngozi is working with the governors. In fact, last few hours ago, they just finished an executive meeting with the governors. These are the people. They will come up to remember. Please, you guys who watch that military parade. How many people did you see their face? Just ask yourself this question. How many people did you see their face in that military parade? How many? But this one is telling that he knows somebody that went for Imo State Vigilante, a governor of the Vigilante group 8 days ago. So for you to even know that governor conducted, Imo State governor is recruiting Vigilante group as of 8 days ago, simply means that you yourself is the agent of the government. Because this is something that government should know, not you. So for you to know that the person that cover face is one of those that went for vigilante or non-vigilante group that nobody knows about, only you know. It simply means that you yourself, there's no government agent here other than you. You are the number one, because you actually know some intels that ordinary people don't know. Only those that have governor who puts on them mass number is capable of knowing that. Maybe it's because I have to get why location they buy the F training. Now you can matter for that day. How many had a number? Because you are an insider. Okay, and you have the inner eyes to mask people who mask their face themselves. You can see their image. You know the person, everything. Otaka Fasi create a story. All these things are just an attempt to discourage other people from contributing. Now, if you say that there's a ragtag army, my question to you: are you a Biafran? If yes, okay. Do you know your state? You know your state, yes. Okay. Do you know what is going on in your own state? Biafran have been declared that 40 states is now. Do you know your state? Do you know who is your governor? Do you know your governor? After the creation of the 40 states, what is your contribution? Have you donated time? Let alone advice. Some of us are very, very stupid. That is not the fact. Some of us are very, very, very stupid. First thing first, you are Biafran. You have a state. You agree on all those things. So then yesterday, your army from your state came out. Maybe if you don't like that attire, shame on you. That simply means you yourself, you are not doing what you're supposed to do. The government of Biafra, as you speak today, are yet to lay hands on the natural resources. We all know this. It is you, your effort determines. This thing will like I'm not even if I know Igbo. Come on, answer in Igbo self. Through the nature in it like if army state ka ọ kwụsị n'ike dịka o so suppose ịdị ị ga-agba mbọ ya na-eso ị na-aghọta. You can come out single-handedly make your state exceptional. A na-eme eme ndị Igbo say we have billionaire, you have trillionaire. You yourself, you are Tanzania, bring your thousands. Do you understand? You don't need to wait until you become billionaire and trillionaire. Okay, the little that you have matters a lot. What is your advice? Upon either advice publicly like we do, you can also go inside and start giving advice to your state governors. In a minute, can have an I believe that I not show you got quite more, quite aga chacha. Equal thunder bam madana, who I thought was in a brother one. But they can be thunder get you a lot than this. Madana, and I kill you no. If you don't know, how can you not shift from shift your just step away? Put to nozo. Each of the put. Each of one ega. Go the matter be fair can be gone. Ayakwa why G azu the buche if I call ruby. We bana Sudan. Ayakwa magowa. Please, you need to be honest to ourselves. We need to be honest to ourselves. All these things, comment like this, sometimes it makes me understand that thousands of us are yet to understand even what you are saying. You don't even know your left or right. And now pass maga. Now Africa in the York. In Africa floor. Nye manka mana nke ọzọ odogo maazị n'ezie ndị ife mmadụ okenye onye ka wee iju maka fọ mana tie ka mmadụ tie ka ochichi okenye ike ada decentralized land. You have your state. Ọ bụ na ife ha yi n'okwu adọghị mma ọ time gị na ekwuta I mean equip them there. Oh, they are only 10 in number, they are 10 in number, but you can have somebody with platform on a platform now working on that. Neighbor 3,000 in Delta State. I keep on asking. Bring the video of the 3,000. Can circulate here online. Each and every neighbor nonsense. Bring it. We expose it. I do not know what it. My neighbor Hano for in Kogi State. Oh my God! You see, they even the Kogi State name. But then Ngozi Nando Tiene Busuma Omajan. We tell people I got every nana to discourage people. That no recruitment, not the woman, not the woman. Yeah, but you guys are ignore the woman. Some of them are even men though. And I have nonsense. What do you expect? A big question on government, like let's look at that. Everything is very, very calm. People are, and this kind of thing happen. Then you know it's okay. It should not be easy. Every man will platform naka joke every blessed day. Now I brag after sleep and I will pull you down. Or there's a gaze. I will pull you down. You should pull down. Not get you place with me. All you found the name. I'm a method. Don't want to get you for cool. How about that? So this your anger, your question should go to people that are actually fueling this nonsense. They discourage people. Get good. My neighbor now. I'm going my own story now. Go and look self. It's the same thing. And it's a little drag you have on social media, not this. What if I know? Some of them are now quite charged. Yes. Celebrating Independence Day inside the bush. It's not funny, my brother. I'm being real. It's not funny. Celebrating Independence Day inside the bush. Now, the way Power Michael Monday. Ebe ndị na meme abebe brain ụmụ YouTube get na the sharp na negativity. That is just the fact. Now, inside the bush, Jose no Koka. Gini ka na-protect ọkwa against invaders, right? Invaders, Fulani invaders. Jonah Nofia kedi ye house address in the invaders I pay all na bush. Invaders are how many people keep fake kidnap those say na one hotel na somewhere in nowhere. Ọkwa na bush ka na kpofa aba. On a bush. And then you cannot even fix your marriage. You suggest how to fix a country. You can't even fix your marriage, your children, your wife. You can't even bring peace to your own household. Man, your own is to give advice how to do what I don't know. Let me go to comment section because somebody dropped a super chat there. Let me know what he says. He said that is Inobi. My brother, thank you so much for the super chat. He said, Mazekai and Exodus, they will just know that many of them that joined Ebubago, Agune Chamber, etc. from USB Army. Besides, why do they want to? Isn't welfare. Okay, isn't welfare. This is your new name. My brother, just know that.
Mazikai, just a minute. Okay. Yeah, just a minute. That is on where's the weaver? No will be on where's the weaver. That's the weaver. So
what the year back and isn't wife? What the year back and Nangoja?
Okay, is the weaver. One can make a little from side there.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. We appreciate you.
I joined Ebubago, Agune Chamber, etc. from USB Army. Besides, why do they want to? Nah, my brother. And I don't know what just the evidence. Guy get in a can an office, able na report, go find it. You should family find them. They know what they're doing. Also, they left with their USB clothes and boots. I'm not much about this one, to be honest with you. Okay. How does it again? What is it again? No, even my boy, going with the Lobulu, Odilisia Webulu. Ezokana son, I hear you. Benchika, you are right. Benchika, you are right. That's from Ezinwefe. And Mazekai, happy Sunday. God bless you, my brother. God bless you too, Ejike. And most of the individuals commenting rubbish are all having brain clogs with all the garbage that they eat. We don't buy all the garbage they eat, smoke and drink. I don't blame them. Mad people everywhere. That is AJ. I see you. Is this your IJ Glitabia?
Yeah, that is EJ Glitters. EJ
Oh
Glitters.
my goodness, yes. My sister, you're welcome.
We see you. There we EJ Glitters. Happy Sunday to you. Ozil. I see also Ozil. Ozil, there wo. Ezekuna TV, I greet you. Umu Ife. I de salute now. There wo. Happy Sunday.
Good afternoon, Biafrans. All thanks to USB. Ozil is here. Yes, true. Confirmed. Confirmed information. Left our USB uniform. So when did this thing happen? I don't know about people that left with USB uniform to join another people. I don't know about it. Even at that, let's assume that nothing happened like that. No, there's nothing like that. Do you know the battle, the setback, and the face? People only buy need. He said, "Hi, my dear brother Kai. I greet you, Excellency Wachuku." Then I said, "Yes." They switched to Ebubago with Biafran's kit and properties. When did this happen? Anyway, anyway, let me go back to the comments. But no problem. Let's continue. say, oh, we come on that switch, they could that, you know that I bring this kind of thing just to mock, because for them, anyway, Ngozi Orabu Fulani, okay, they say no Henka, will soon be arrested. If you get now, the fact that Benefu Simon Ekpa will soon before the fact that before Simon Ekpa will soon before her, you have been alerted. Of course, you are a paid agent of Ngozi Omakonawaka. Stop denying the obvious. In Aniana, I am a paid agent of Ngozi. The video na military parade, na video mere maka this Ijoma name attack. Okay, may just one day go. When can be able na also na fina name USB. Today kita brain ya Daniel Ibere na. Or maybe na no also the na new brain ya. Ona new brain ya. Brain again was under your foot. Ike bukwa. Ngozi Orabu Fulani. Because anybody saying this about Orabu Fulani, fall back. It is very, 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 very obvious. No matter the FM PM from inside. I don't know if you are following what I'm saying, Exodus.
Yeah, I'm following up what you're saying.
Ngozi Orabu Fulani will soon be arrested. The fact that before Simon Ekpa will soon before her, you have been alerted. Of course, you are a paid agent of Ngozi. Stop denying the obvious. And they have fall back. So for your reason, I'm not proud of even Simon Ekpa. And for your use Orabu Fulani, it simply means that it can't come from DOS. This is from who? From Imam Adabo, from Ogenkere, and Mazakwa. I'm not saying they are the one, but this is their group.
Supposed to know now.
If
a minute. You know these people, what they are just doing, they are not giving up too soon. They will continue to disgrace themselves. And I like the way you are bringing all this I like the way you screenshotted all this their nonsense out, and you are showing it to their face for us to let them know that we are seeing what they are doing. You understand? And this is not it's not today they have started like this. This thing has been happening. They did it to Mazi PM Simon Ekpa. The same thing. This is just DOS. This is DOS standard of doing things. The only thing had the good now to criticize the good job of others that are trying their best. That is what they are good at. They will not do anything. They will not do anything to improve anything. They don't know how to do anything to improve anything. But the only thing they are good at is only to complain and to murmur without solution. They know they get solution. No. They know they get solution. In everything they do, they know they get solution. But they are good in complaining. They are good in murmuring. So I remember for them say that now every spirit of complaining and murmuring in us, in this Biafra movement, let it disappear. You have to go. Every spirit of murmuring and complaining without solution, may it disappear. Then another than 80, he say all the very important not they disappear.
He said
because we're not going to be continuing this way. This kind of people that are doing this kind of thing in a movement, they are the one that brings distractions. All one day we take distractions.
I'm telling you.
They are agent of distraction.
But Exodus, my brother, I want you to see what I'm saying here before I move forward. First thing first, Kedoye did this message. Kedoye like
fall back.
Now, fall back, but now, please, black friends, I want to open your eyes here. In fact, let me remove my let me take your videos out so that you'll be seeing it very, very clear. Look at this message, very, very. Just calm down, please. Anywhere you are watching from, calm down. Read this on your own. Try to understand what I'm saying here. A man who claimed to be a Biafran, a woman, I don't care about the name. He says, Ngozi Orabu Fulani. This is their matran. This is their like Asatina said here. Orabu Fulani. Look at what Asatina said. That Orabu Fulani is their access code. Okay, now for this place to mention or Ngozi Fulani have actually wiped out DOS agent, have wiped out people like Ndi Obedient, okay, have removed them. So it makes you to concentrate on Fallback Republic and 4Deep or whatever they call themselves. Somebody from them saying this, Ngozi Fulani will soon be arrested. Okay? The fact that before Simon Ekpa will soon before her, you have been alerted. Now, this to tell you that the arrest of PM, the connection between what happened to PM and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's wife, Patrick Ikem, Uche Mefo, the Afran child, Iken Guru Agu, what's the name of the other guy? For the guy. Like this is what they connive with those people to report or to make sure that information
7,000
all of them. Now, how were people inside that? Not with the PM, but the PM not here. And these insiders are still moving around here. Okay. The reason why, because from this comment, and I can tell you something, the reason why most of them are doing everything to blackmail US government and COS is simple. That leakage, that door that PM opened, thinking that Biafrans, that he's sure that nothing will happen to him as long as he's in Finland, which actually helped him, to be honest. But they have to go to the extra mile to get PM, to put PM down. The forces that put PM down was so serious and determined than the one that put Mazi Nnamdi Kanu down. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu on could be just a group, just few people. But PM, what happened to PM? They already suffered before they get to that level. You may not understand what I'm saying. They wore themselves off. Like, I don't want to use a S word, you understand? They wore themselves, they tried extra mile. They have to do extra job to get PM away. They tried. Some of them couldn't even believe that they would do what they have done, what they did. Like what they have done against to make sure that PM is out from the way. But the target is to put him away. And they succeeded simply because there is a joint, like what Nigerian normally say, a joint force tax, whatever they call it, like that. Army and police and agent saboteurs coming together to achieve one goal. DOS alone couldn't do it. Internal enemies couldn't do it. Nigerian government couldn't do it. They have to come together unanimously to get it done. But people that put Mazi Nnamdi Kanu down is just few individuals from few people from DOS and few elements from government. And that one was very, very easy. Very, very easy. But PM on, they have to struggle. And why they are very, very angry with the COS now, that some of them, even if they know how to bring somebody's AS score and put in her handbag so that she will be caught somewhere in US, they would do it now. Because that door, those doors, COS did not even knock at the door, let alone opening it in the first place. Do you understand? That's a very big problem to them now. But they want to use this kind of blackmail after doing something on the way to make things look like US government are not doing something that kind of like what they're supposed to have done and all that. They want to now use it to pretend that US government are not doing anything. Tell me, somebody that is the fallback man person telling you that she will soon be arrested. Okay? Not only that thing that happened to PM will still fall on her. You have been alerted. Anyway, let's move on because I just want us to see it so you can understand what they're trying to say. Let me go to the comment before we move forward again. And we have Asian wife said, they are my reason for supporting USB government. Okay, thank you for that. And Fred Ndukwe, he did not say anything. He just give us donation. Thank you so much for that, Fred Ndukwe. God bless you. God bless you and reward you guys, Asian wife and Fred Ndukwe. May God reward you mightily and grant your heart desire that are not bad. Thank you so much. I appreciate. Love Day said, now you can see how our people reason after eating Fulani cow meat after eating Fulani cow meat for millennium, modern century. Only United States of Biafra USB will save you from mental slavery. USB, it is what it is. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Tina said they have realized that PM's mission is still gathering momentum. Your brain not the sleep. That is it. That is it. In fact, you put it in a perfect way, because that's what I was trying to to say when I said that COS did not even allow those doors to be, did not even knock at those leakage doors. That is why they are very, very angry. Exactly. Man, it take somebody I think it deep to understand what I'm saying now. You're right. Take somebody you have to have your mind with you before you can now reason along with what we're saying. But if you know, you know. If you know, you know. As a wife, I say, Kai, very soon we are going to market that name Honorable Fulani for them to the highest bidder, to shame to them idiots.
But I tell you, I'm going to go radio. I'm also weak for the power.
But is it any item that would be named that, or just the name would be marketed?
I'm going to go the name Honorable Fulani.
I'm going to market that name Honorable Fulani for them to the highest bidder, to shame to them. You know, I understand that Waboda was marketed, of course. So if but anywhere you see that Honorable Fulani, maybe after saying this, another people will start using it. But let's just be frank. Most of people saying Honorable Fulani, they don't look elsewhere. This is fall back deep, fall back and fall deep. This is who they are. As I said, the US, okay, use this comment on the screen to know what Ogechukwu is doing on the ground. Their target is to stop USB going forward. Their non-project fallback. Thank you so much. To stop the USB going forward, their non-project fallback, which is true. They want to stop it. They non-project fallback for people to follow. As I think, Brian again, the sleep man. Thank you so much for that. Even our brother have highlighted it as well. As wife. My brother, if I know how to put your name as wife, I prefer that name more. Because I don't used to this your name, there's wife. As I think you are on point. Exactly. Let's continue. Let's continue with the comment. Exodus, do you have something to say? Should I just go on?
Continue.
Okay. Here we have, is it the right one? Excuse me. Okay. Now we have this one. Said, this is a childish parade from the army. Please, I want to hear from DPM. If you want to hear from DPM, tell Victor Ikech. Victor, if you want to hear from DPM, she's not logging now. You can hear every Saturday. You can hear from her. That one is guarantee. Sometimes 2 times in a week, she will come online, and you can call, or you can actually pass your information to cabinet members like Pharmacy Diana, or maybe Matt Peace, or Dreg, or you can pass it to many people. These are people that I can remember now. So If you want to hear from her, that one is not on my comment for you to hear from her. You don't need to come to my comment to hear from DPM. She's made herself available for you to throw your question. You coming to, if you are requesting to hear from her on my comment, simply means that you actually are running away from her. You are the one running away from hearing from her. If you want to hear from her or ask your question, so many ways to do that. So many ways to do that, and you have the access. Now, this Sophia said, independent. You guys are just jokers and into fiction. You are independent, and Simon is in jail, and Namadekane is in jail, and you guys are there fooling yourself in the name of celebrating fiction independent.
Sorry.
I don't know if Nelson Mark is still here, because that's why I said, Nelson Mark, you are needed in this comment, because when I saw this comment, I copied it with Nelson Mark comment. He said, "Fool, don't you know that their freedom is based on this celebration and USB declared?"
They don't know.
So this your comments have answered everything.
I'm telling you.
This your comment have answered everything. So I don't need to reply this one, but because Nelson Mark have already, Sophia. Alpha AI. That's Sophia.
The things are through AI, Abi.
I thought that Alpha AI. You have no Sophia and Canon. Middle East Canon. That AI and Sophia. Oh yeah, but that my comment about human being there. Oh your job. This somebody said. Mr. Man, please stop showing these kind things on social media. It makes this struggle look like lies and childish play. First thing first, I am not you, Mr. I am not your man. I don't know who you are. Okay. As nothing as no was social. No, was social.
The man, it's not going to no woman.
That's not Mr. Man. I'm not your Mr. Man. I don't know. Some people, I'm not your Mr. Man. You don't know me. I don't know you. That you are seeing me does not mean that you know anything about me.
I didn't tell you.
No, so I'm not Mr. Man. So. Mr. Man, please stop showing this. What makes the struggle look like a joke is people like you that reason from your damn part. You understand? You need to understand that much is expected of you. You have to keep your brain intact, all right, before you can talk. Some of these people don't know what they want. They just want to comment because they think that they can move their tongue in their mouth.
He's spending them on our way. Mazikai minute. This guy on the way he were. They are angry. Why is USB making progress? They are very, very bitter. We are not supposed to be talking. They don't want us to celebrate. They don't want us to move ahead. They want us to be stagnant. So whenever you're trying to make any move, they are there to hold you down. They are here to discourage you. They are there to make sure that your mind is weakened. Look at what they are doing to Masina Nikalo now. Look at what they did to Masina Nikalo. Taking Masina Nikalo away from us, putting him in Sokoto. What are they trying to achieve? It's for us to break down. And do you remember that many people broke down? Many Biafrans broke down because of what they did to Masina Nikalo. But if they do Biafrans, we still stand firm. We are not going to break down, because when we are break down, we are gone. This is the reason why they are crying there. They are crying in your comment section. Crying in your comment section. Why are they crying? Mr. Man, stop showing this kind of thing on social media. It's make the struggle look like lies and child's play. Owen Kaminini. Owen Kahana Bayro Mo Biafra. Onari Gigi nkete. Abayra Gigi, ebi Gigi na me parade. Abayra he ngwere, ebe ngwere yi uniform me parade. If every woman be no kuru go draw.
My brother, in my family mo waja chodi. Continue. In my family mo waja chodi gada sai but na. I am no one na gaba touch na ka so na gbara ka ma mo ku maka this thing. Na ada. O wa wa ko ya I go do chetele ya na. So and the man reply if you go now on the fall back republic like those they are so called leaders. Hapụta kọọ iyo ka anyị tụnye because echi dem na ife me na 30th of May is still fresh in my mind. You know that ife me na 30th of May is still fresh.
No comment, madam. No, look at the kind of comments.
Believe Ojo, okay, believe Ojo. I told you, believe Ojo.
Look at this kind of comments. Now when they continue, these people are stupid. That is very stupid.
This person said, empty score, what have you contributed to Biafran Nation project? Now, you have to give courage to those guys for their sacrifice and effort in the hostile situation. Oh yeah, get an reply. On a reply,
I know. Yeah, that's a very good reply because how can you Mazikai Imunadia this spread down that na Nigeria na by now. By this time of the hour of the day, knowing fully well what is happening in Nigeria. I'm the lega putani na mero de Biakuro. I'm the lega putani na mero de Biakuro. And still here the United States of Biafra was able to pull out that kind of thing. Instead of him Haka.
If you could also give your own reply just now. If I said that now, give you a contribution here.
I'm telling you.
The same thing now. The same thing you could here.
When the Mazikai Wanda, Sahaga by Yerang, by good and Bereha, Kaifu, Bereba, and Meparad, Kaimagudi. How by good drawing something? Oh, good Ochicha. How by Ochicha Kaifu?
Okay, Iman, if you get a bargain and a bowl flower and watch it this, a walk on apple glass, they never handshake. It was a different, it was a different it's okay for you. How many had a minute? Also, she, Ogan Kremos on that Barawa. I commented on military parade yesterday. I two of them.
The flower corner.
And say, also, and also that to be close to nobody. You comment negative in this thing. Kai check, come on, go to the pictures in the bone and handshake.
One of Mazika, I thought this people said, a personal second able hammering Kaha. But second, you look, I found Kaga by Romopia from a second door original. Once no original second. We are waiting for them
in about two spirit there. Hey, in about if this only could have get on, don't worry now. Also, I don't know speed lane. I don't know speed lane. That day, I gave John broadcast Elias and Dabre. Gapota. Email John broadcast. In other and Sana Parawa. Military Kefana behind work.
When the Kaidio Hosi, and his boss, Zigarayosi, Kaidian Hosi.
And by Egan, as I have a Kaidaka Lapatan over for my brain, a brain, feed a beer with genuine brain. As Malcolm is caught up if you could set my caught up here.
When they all come and they caught up to the caught up Yaketana, because.
Are they possible? Yeah, last stream. Are they possible? One minute. Come on, okay. Although if you could say, how many days for one? How many days for? Come on, can second night go up Tuesday. Up Tuesday.
So can you put it on another Madia camera?
All them, if you could, them and you couldn't be just a yellow for any people. Because now, Monagamana. Okay, I mean, not about Elias.
Okay.
On Tuesday, go prove I wrong. Because even they couldn't tell it of me. But
okay. So you talking with when I reply, I have a touch off my bee.
I got a touch off man and go
I'll bow the rush, I rush it, everyone, I cannot go.
I can na agwa gị fan if you ị na-ekwu na ife na agwa kịta ị na-agwata ha bụ na ha ga-aga ime ha wezi ike ga mee hiring na ọta
Okay,
mana ihe ha IJ said they are stupid. They don't know they don't know any better. They don't know any better. Mas Namrukan and PM did not take the initiative. There wouldn't be anything like USB today. Our heroes' imprisonment gave birth to our progress today in this freedom. If my you know, I agree with you. If you could, you're on point. It's now if you even though the Igula say, you brain hammer will go different after mentioning himself. They're not going to understand. As I said, we struggle. He is still in the struggle. We have left struggle. We have left struggle and advanced to national level. Nigeria was given freedom in platter of gold. They never fight for their freedom. Also, if you could now, but that's just a country now they more man, but most of the country independent in a platter of gold. In order, they always abuse freedom and they always abuse that privilege. If you could let's mark, you what about from as I said, you are giving them a spoil. Now I can make my sister, but now let's move to another comment here. Let me take this one down first. Okay. Then after Nesima replied that Sophia. After I reply, Sophia got there's this long note. Say Nelson Mark, you are living in full paradise and in ocean of stupidity. Keep deceiving yourself with your fiction animation. Do you guys actually know what is independence? If you guys know an adult educated people like many of you would not be so much childish. Confront what is confronting us. What would be your people happiness if celebrating fiction independence? Simon have become president in jail with Masina Kano and one is cooking rice and the others in preparing stew. Jokers everywhere. You guys brain are just like vehicle. They remove the battery. You are independent country. Then go and sit in your government house. Government house station. Government house. Oh no, not teacher commander. This whole thing. Station your military and police for parade. May God help us all as well have to turn. May God help us all as we have to turn mere idiot that cannot reason properly. What is the achievement? The two-face of Biafran the two-face of Biafran agitators being in jail, and you are celebrating stupidity and idiocy. Admit there were two-face of Biafran agitators. The two-face are Biafran agitators. So to you now, Sophia, the AI of our time, to you now is that people should just wait until two of them will come out. The question to you is, if you are the one that put them in prison for them not for Biafran agitation to stop, will you release them, knowing fully well that people are waiting for them to come out to continue? Like you arrest somebody and put it in jail because you don't want people, because they are talking about Biafran, and you as a Nigerian government, your assignment is to make sure that the agitation of talking about Biafra ends, right? So after knowing for a fact that you have succeeded by keeping them in prison, and those that followed them actually waiting for them to come out so that you cannot continue from where you stop. And that thing that they want to continue is what you don't want to continue. That's why you actually put them in prison. If you have brain, you will do everything to continue that thing, because that will help them to know. They will know that keeping these people in prison did not even give us what we want. So you have actually spoiled their business. You know, I used to think that some of us are saying that because they don't know, but now I realize that they know, but they just want to. They are just thinking and reasoning like the government himself. So that's why they will keep on telling you, "Oh, bring it on. Let's just wait until it come out." How can you be? You are talking about Biafra when Oyend is in prison? You want to say you are independent when Masamukan and Oyend is in prison? I don't understand. So in that way, we should stop talking about Biafran freedom and Biafran at all, because Ojukwu is dead. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying.
Onye
don't worry, let's rush it, because I want to open live to hear from people. You guys should stop risking our people's life, please. Hence PM did not do it. None of you will do it. You believe me? Okay, now even at this, after 1 year, people can reason like this. If you are to listen to these people, you go nowhere. Empty score and people who think like you. That's this guy. These are up black. I don't know if that's your name. This our brother is very, very sensible. Said empty score and people who think like you to wait until PM Ekpa and Magan Kanu come back before fighting for freedom should also go and wake up Leto Ojukwu from grave. Mad people everywhere.
They tell you. That's the best answer to them. The conclusion of the whole matter.
This kind of comment is always, gladden my heart, because that is the best thing to. That is to tell you that people are not sleeping on all this nonsense they're saying. People are actually thinking and reasoning along.
Now, that's what I'm trying to say here since. And then Expo said that waiting happen.
No, if you mean by Expo, in terms of military aspect, even in the Africa, military parade down on second, right? If you he said that Africa made their military parade on second, has not had to get there from second, right?
Oh, but not even in shape.
Okay. What not even good at and say that now for you to I suppose he made military parade on second. That's not what's not second to declare Biafra. Not for what happened, they got the military parade that day. Now they got made their own. Now what I say that now. Yeah, can I was saying and they war plan, yeah.
They have nothing.
Otis Kuena, how was he guys about I made the parade that day?
Let them do it. Kaifo. I want to every time I coach now. I compare now. USB. Let them do their own. Now let us see.
Where is Commander Gentle, Commander Butoso, and other commanders? If you know how bandits prepared reach, you go not say these guys they play as Biafran soldiers now, and you yourself that is talking. So if you know how bandits and Bugaram prepare, that means you are one of them. So since for you to know their intent and how prepared they are, so you should just tell us your post with them, like your position in the bandit department. Okay. I am surprised that you people have still not realized. That's coming. Remember this guy, Regina. This Regina. I think who will comment on me before. What guy can I say? I can reply. Excuse me. Let me go back. Let me go back. Kamata. What will comment on me before? Okay, Sophia. Okay, comment here. Ngozo Fulani. Remember, she did this comment. Ngozo Fulani will soon be arrested. The fact that before Samonekpa, yeah, about Regina, right? Oh, yeah, made the comment. The Zifo Zokuru here now. After Kokuchen, I get arrest. The Zifo Kuzi here. I am surprised that you people have still not realized that the name of Biafra is cursed. Anything it touches turns to dust. Ojukwu brought Biafran up and millions of Igbos died. Wazirike tried Biafran and thousands died. Nnamdi Kanu and Samonekpa also tried Biafrans and Nnamdi Kanu and Samonekpa also tried Biafra and again thousands of Igbos died. Kanu and Simon Ekpa are in prison. Look at all of you. How well are you faring since you started calling the name Biafra? Are your life better now? Una what you gave here?
Unu hụchara
isi akpọ ya ọnụ a ga-ekpukwa unu ọnụ a ga-ekpu unu ọnụ something like a ga-ekpuwakwa unu ọnụ a ga-ekpuwakwa unu ọnụ. So meaning that not only the Igbo, okay, Okwo Igbo, and all the same person na Honorable Fulani. In Afia now.
Okay, we are reply to Onya now. Okay, Ozi chori zigara Onya now. Onya adere ya now. Okay, chori gwe ya now.
Chineke boy ogo.
I
was amazing about Chineke boy ogo. Okay, for the Kazigaria.
I want the cocoa.
Oye, the good guy na kita na afa na so ya na brain. Like brain, o ta afa some mother. Nke ya bụ brain ya, that a purge, but na brain ka ọ na-take place.
One ozi anyị na-ezigara dị supụla ndị a na-akọ Maazị Kai just a minute. If you allow me to say ka m gba ndị ugwu. Ozi mụ from my own side ọ bụrụ ọgụ nwa na-ekwu from my own side as a concerned citizen of United States of Biafra.
Yes, so.
As a concerned citizen of United States of Biafra, go on Maazị Kai, more wasted us. Nwere way of reaction, of reacting over issues. So as a concerned citizen of United States of Biafra, if you don't know na comment section, you're gonna get the rubbish here. They're supposed to know better. They're supposed to know better. I'm na carry stage here, na carry go stage here. I carry go this stage.
Please, if you have a comment, you can join us now. Why we are listening to introduce. Continue, my brother.
Stage final yaketa na how are they supposed to be na program man na be right this kind of rubbish. But I like paramotis we put there buy auto can you bla for ya. My message to them, any negative word of last year no we na put against this our government. Against this our government. Any cause of any negative word of last year no against this government. That negative words we send it back to the sender. Onye ọbụla na-ewuchi Dr. Ngozi Arabeze, onye ọbụla na-ewuchi Dr. Ngozi Arabeze ọnwụ, or maybe police ga-eme arrest. Onye maka ga-eme arrest. Onye maka EBI ga-anwụrụ. Onye maka ọnwụ ga-akpọ n'ihu. Because whatever thing they wish this government, that is what they're going to get. Ha ga-enweta ya 100-fold. Because this government is working for betterment of everybody. Just like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is working for the betterment of everybody, even in that Nigeria. The same thing that United States of Biafra represents. And that United States of Biafra always a very big umbrella to every citizens of Biafra. And everybody can say with our divine instruction. Everybody can say with our own divine instruction. Anything outside USB is fake. So whether they are fallback, they are claiming to be DOS, coming to your comment section, writing all those manner of rubbish. When every cost goes back to them. Every cost goes back to them. You take my point. So only Biafra will Franket and only dispose him money here. You know, Buru this Biafra no Bia. Onya Konya and again with it. I hit my mic one day.
As I want to hear this our jingle again, please. When did you want them, madam?
Okay.
Mgbe Igbo nwata tọ ntị na n'ọnụ ya danna n'oke kwekwa ma agba ọbụla ife mere eme n'oke iwe mere n'oke mgbugbe tie na tata bụ ụbọchị ọmụmụ Biafra freedom ọbụla ife mere eme akụkọ ọka mụ na-akọlụ na onye na-egedo ntị ọmalụ ụbọchị ibe dị ebube mere na ndụ ụmụ Biafra nọ na mba dị iche iche ọbụla eziokwu maka na nwanne dị na mba ọbụla ife mere eme na onye njenje kakwa onye isi awa mmanụ n'ụwa ọbụla ife mere eme na na-amalụgo elu na tata bụ ụbọchị dị ebube ọbụla eziokwu maka na ukwu ụkwụ na-agba okwu n'oke a na-abụ igu kaba ji anọ onwebe aka n'ọkwanụ tata bụ 29 Novemba 2025 n'ọkwanụ tata merie otu afọ ndị Biafra gbakọtara n'ala Finland ọbụla eziokwu wee kwupụta wee kwusie ike maka obodo ọfụ anyị bụ USB ọbụla ife mere eme maka na akwụdola eze ochie n'ụwa na gidigidi bụ ugwu eze ọbụla ife mere eme na-ezu ka ahụ elu ude na-atọtụ ndị ga mmụọ maba nchabi ahụ ndị nwụrụ anwụ n'egwu nwanne malụ nwanne ya ka anyị na ọbụla ife mere eme n'ọkwanụ tata ka United States of Biafra bụrụ isi obodo niile ọbụla eziokwu na na-amalụgokwe maka na na-enwe obodo enwe ọbụla ife mere eme na-enwere nnukwu mmanwụ enweli oti mgbu na-enwere nnukwu mmanwụ enweli oti mgbu na-enwere ndị na-eme obodo nkiri Nwada Tina ijele nwanyị weba mmanwụ Asati na nwanyị ọma ọkwụla ọkalịsịa Nwada Tina ijele nwanyị weba mmanwụ Asati na nwanyị ọma agbara aka ibi ya ogo ọkwụla ọkalịsịla ibe nwanyị mma weba mmanwụ n'ọkwanye ya si mụ bụrụ ukwu ekene ka mụ kene nne mụrụ Biafra freedom ọbụla eziokwu Dr. Ngozi Arabueze agụ nwaanyị bịa kelelio omenke afọ n'anya Ezinne Biafra gị ka mụ na-akpọ gị ka mụ na-ekene ekene onye ọma na ike ekene ya agụnya bụ onye ọbụla eziokwu ịmalụgo na ekene na-eme ọghata ọba ekene n'ụwa ọghọlụ njide ọbụla ife mere eme na mụ kenele ya ekene ọnụ n'ife imere anyị elikakwa nne ma ama ya na famasi Diana na ndị USB kabineti niile ekene mụ na agala unu niile n'ọkwa na unu pịawalụ ndị fọbak na ndị fọdipụ azụ maka na a na-esiri onye nwere Igbo bongone n'ụwa ọbụla ife mere eme onye karịrị mmadụ n'ife akarịghokwu ya na mmụọ ọbụla eziokwu Biafra si na-ekenekwa gị n'ụzọ pụrụ iche ọbụla eziokwu nne maka ijidesi mandeti anyị ike gụgbadosie ya ike wee mekwa ka ndị ilo niile kpọọ isi ala maka nkwupụta ekwupụtalụ USB ọbụla ife mere eme jide ka iji nne m ụlọ ọla maka na onye azị ya jide ka o ji na-eme mma n'ọkụ akịrị gị bụ nne n'aka ya kwa na-elegbu gị ị na-anụ olu enyi jide ka iji nne m ụlọla ezinne n'isikwa m bụrụ ekene n'ụba aka m bunye USB prezidenti onye ndu Maazị Nnamdi Kanu Ọhamadike Biafra mmanwụ ndị ilo agụ na onwe ya bịa kenele ịbịa n'ụlọ n'ugwu agbanwe dịka izu agbaghalị anya agbanwe dịka izu n'elu ụwa agbaghalị anya ọ bụla eziokwu ụkwa ndị ilo chi n'aka ọ na-ejezuba arụ ọbụla ife mere eme odudu kodu mmanwụ ndị ilo na-atụ egwu dike teghete ikwere anyị nkwa na ya akwa na-agbakọta anyị azụ ọbụla ife mere eme iwe dobekwenye afọ ibe ikwuru wee na-eme ya ọbụla eziokwu anyị bụ ụmụ Biafra gbasiri ike na anyị ekwe na-echefu ife ọma imere anyị n'elu ụwa ma ncha ncha maka na anyị ayakwa na afọ bekee nyechalụ ndị obula ọkụtụ na-abịa mgbọsị aka ụkwụbalị eze asaba ụba aka ka njụ dị ama ajụjụ n'ifụrụ anyị n'anya nke ukwuu wee ruo n'ihi edosanwụrụ anyị ndụ gị n'agbanyeghị mgba ndị ilo na-agba nne mụrụ Biafra Dr. Ngozi Orabueze na-asị gị ọ sị gaa mana ekike gị gaa mana jijiji na anya bụ ife ị na-achọ n'ihi nweta gị ọbụla eziokwu anya bụ ife ị na-achọ n'olugokweni gị aka anya bụ ife ị na-achọ n'olugo gị aka ekene ekenelu m onye ọma ndị Aba ekene ekenelu m onye ọma ndị Aba asị m ekene ekenelu m USB Prime Minister Maazị Simon Ekpa mmanwụ m ọbata obi the carrier of the new dimension odogwu n'eli mmanwụ na-abọ dike teghete the 50 men in one mmanwụ ezuru mmadụ ịtọ asị m na odogwu ezuru mmadụ ịtọ bịa kirie na agaba the ambassador of peace mmanwụ ndị ilo mmanwụ onye na-edowe iwu obodo ọbụla eziokwu asati Naịjirịa nwaanyị na chi ga-ekenu na-asị na ọ bụ gị bụ isi abụrụ wee gbawa okwu maka na kama ife ya emekwe n'isi na n'ụwa ya kwuru okwu ọbụla eziokwu n'ọnụ sukwe na ana ma ejina n'ụwa ka m kwuo m okwu na ọkwanụ gị bụ releasing of the season ọbụla eziokwu n'ikwere ụmụ Biafra na nkwa n'ikwere ụmụ Biafra nkwa na nnwere onwe anyị abịa n'arọ 5 na o mechakwala ime n'agbanyeghị na ndị iro bịara ogboro gị n'otu izu ụka tupu eme convention kama wee kwụsị nkwupụta USB ọbụla eziokwu mana fa mara na aka na-ekpuchirekwa n'ọnwa n'elu ụwa ọbụla ife mere eme n'ife ya abụghị abụkwa n'ihe ọbụla eziokwu n'ife akwa n'aka na-ejirokwe n'ugogbe n'ihe mana tata Dr. Ngozi Orabueze agụ nwaanyị Dr. Ngozi Orabueze na ụmụ Biafra na-asị gị gaa makwana akịkị gị gaa makwana jijiji mmanwụ be m n'ife ahụ ibidolu n'ihi mezuokwe n'ihe anyị bụ ndị Biafra na anyị ya ekwe na-echefu ife ọma imere anyị nwanne m maka na iwere onwe gị ịchụ aja ka o wee dịrị anyị na mma gị jisi ike na Chukwu kere ụwa ya akwụ gị ụgwọ mmanwụ ndị iro USB enyegokwa anyị nyaba identity ọbụla eziokwu na anyị sikwa na ekene niile ka alụ agụ nwaanyị Dr. Ngozi Orabueze maka na o ji okpo ofufie wee chekwa anya bụ mandeti anyị ọbụla ife mere eme n'ọkwana ya bụ nne nwere onwe anyị ọbụla eziokwu anyị kenele gị agụ nwaanyị na anụ eyi ekene niile ka alụ gị n'ịgbani igokweni n'afa ndị Biafra niile na ndị fụrụ nwere onwe n'anya nwadati Naịjirịa nwaanyị na-asị ka Chukwu okike abịa ma gọzie anyị niile ọ na-asị ka Chukwu okike abịa ma gọzie ndị ndu anyị ọ na-asị ka Chukwu okike abịa ma gọzie USB cabinet members ọbụla eziokwu ndị tinyere ije ọkpa ndị tinyere okwu ọnụ ndị na-arụsi ọrụ ike kababụ na anyị na-alụrụ ube anyị kababụ na anyị na-alụrụ ube anyị wee kwuru n'onwe anyị ogologo ndụ na-arụ isi ike ise Biafra abịago Biafra abịago.
Yeah, that is it. Azatina, let's hear from you.
There were my sister. Picture Kate nyekwere ebe that short clip and ebe ọ machikwara egwu them one self.
How much I go one day.
Ah, I tell you go.
Ana macho ka mama go go silu Ilus US. Mana, I can't make a mama me.
Igbo no bago. No bago.
Oh, this is a short one. Gani, don't worry.
Is it this short one? Okay. Adria. Adria, na nkwa ka m ga-esi wee adịnyere m ya na ihe ahụ. I would like it. Ọ machiri ya go. Eziokwu ka m na-aga gị. Hey, daalụ Maazị Kai, honestly, pieces no, I analyze all these shenanigans, stupid people in this place. Nke i mere na nke that woman from Abia, the thing from go. And I hope she will get that message. Okay, nwerịrị remorse na ihe ọ pụtara kwuo. If not, ịpụta dị bịa mee apology, oge chaa gị. Because I don't know, I keep saying it. Because let me greet first. Dear friends, I greet all of you. Happy Independence Day. You know, we are still in the mood of celebration. Maazị Exodus, Onyeziokwu, my colleague. We know where we start. I am a spice video.
Another room.
Okay, ọ dịkwa mpasha. Atara ụka aṅụrụkwa mmiri.
It's not making
onye nye m Mike bekwuolu na Satina na-ekwugo Maazị Tina Maazị
ndị ewezi nwanne m ekenekwa m gị Maazị Exodus daalụ onye eziokwu ka ewu n'ojere anyị niile ụmụnne m ekenekwa m ọnụ. So Maazị Kai daalụ ezi nwanne m daalụ rinne. I pray for more wisdom. I pray for more wisdom. Eziokwu ka isi eme things analyze. Onye uche ya na-agaru na that place, oge chaa gị ntị, ya enweta sense by force. So ekene m gị daalụ rinne. Yeah, about ụmụ okoko like you call them, ezigbote ụmụ okoko onye ha wụ. But on the other hand, atakwa m ha, some of them were wounded lion. Unu mana ka ha si ebe. You know, ifuru ndị a pịawasịa ha azụ, they couldn't achieve their mission. You know, highly disappointed. I heard that we will still pull this thing out after Maazị Simon arrest. Ịma na ihe awụ ihe mgbagwoju anya wuru ihe ibe akwa. They are crying bitterly. They are pained. I heard that we will still be moving on. Even the momentum now, I heard that we will get to this level. Still going. Still moving, stronger and stronger. I
swear. You got it.
Honestly, they don't know what else to do rather than to come to comment section. They are and they are doing it. They are bearing over Hapa. And that's the only thing they can do. And they can't stop a moving train. I say, what you don't know is bigger than you. What you don't know is bigger than you. Aquifer ideology. You can't stop it. You can't stop it. You can't stop it. Since you have bidoro all these things, instead of Biafra quest to die down or to die low or to calm down, instead, new dimension and apụta more and more. New dimension and apụta more and more. So they are actually regretting the things Hamegoro so far. They couldn't achieve anything. They are regretting. and they will not stop. They still think they can do something. But I tell you, God is on our side.
Exactly. Exactly.
God is on our side.
Exactly.
That is
God is
true.
on our side. And ọ bụrụ na ha ga-agwanwe onwe ha eziokwu, they should actually come to that reality now. Tell themselves the truth. This thing, all people ka ha ji egbu. For them to stop this thing, they cannot stop it. So ihe ha menwuru iji ya na-egbu people, innocent people. That's all. But to stop this thing, they can never stop it. They can never. So all those comments, those people nọ na-eme there, ma ndị jụrụ Maazị Simon Ekpa, Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, ha nọ n'ime na-eme celebration. This is what will bring them out. If you don't know, you will not know. If you know, you know. And if you don't know, you will not know. What you don't know is bigger than you. If you are the type na eme research, you may know better. You may know better. These are the things that will access to their release, or fasting their release. These are the things. And mind you, we are not rejoicing over them. I don't know, because the way they are putting it, as if I now rejoice over their predicament.
My sister, to me, I felt like Nandam Hammer. They know the fame of
Exactly. They know.
They know, but they just want to know if we are stupid enough to think that what you are doing now is nothing. Like you are just wasting your time and just trying to blackmail you for nothing. They know the truth. Complain. They know the truth.
Actually, like you said, they know the truth. And if they know the truth, their comment will just to come to your comment section and pepper you, maybe to pepper you.
If you I'm not sure I get better like man, and better
So Marana, that they can't stop this thing. And the more they look, the more they try to stop this thing, the more and the bigger this our freedom na become. Ha ga-anọkwa ebe ha na-ebekwa akwa eme gịnị, anyị alọnchikwa Biafra Bank, Biafra Market, Chineke nna ha aka na-ebekwe. But there is one comment I made there. With all these things, ndị a na-ekwu Orabo Fulani, because that Orabo Fulani ahụ enwere ndị eji ya mara. Enwere ndị eji Orabo Fulani ahụ mara. Ọ access code ndị
access code.
Then sizie ebe ahụ gbaruzie to their oga kpatakpata. Oge nkere ị ga-ejizi ya wee mara ihe oge nkere na-eme underground. Ị ga-eji ya wee mara ihe oge nkere na-eme underground. Na akwa oge nkere nta nọ na Finland na-eti my oga, ma okwe mmadụ nụrụ ntị, my oga, my kecha those things ọ na-akpọcha Maazị Simon Ekpa mgbe ahụ. My boss, my oga, my boss. As if all of Ukaya know today what is playing out. What is playing out? On arazikwo oge nkere ahụ, he recognize our PM. Today's tense. A na-eme gị interview. Echetere to tell the people watching you, your audience. Since you know that globally people are watching that interview. Echetere to talk about the release of Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. One now where bank you get chete your boss he love you so much. From there you get chete your oga pata. Nti no ya nwa we kwucha ogwu. Ikwucha nke Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ka nwa na-enyecha gị nni tọgbọ gị nọrọ na-ele wu. Abịakọbịa chetere gị nke Maazị Simon.
The best advice I got in Anambra State to stop crime in a place called Opiweka.
One Mazika, Anaputa Benaka, Akaputa Benaka, get
I got the advice from a madman.
Okay, Malebo, again with their bad advice.
No, Mazika, what the mother give for a weekend? And I didn't make it out. Hey, what can we decide?
Okay, kita give you the reply. Kita, your reply, I can't get Okay. Mazika. Yeah, okay, thank you. Mazika, I'll give you that. Always just before you have about football, because open a bia, as it hot. If you don't understand before, I may take fool. I want to just pass this message to Ndabra na comment again. I get back, just like I started and said. I bring a comment section. I get back na comment section. Actually, this is all the very very simple. Unu ndi na-agara na Maazị Kai report platform na-aga ebe akwa na comment section ya. Ọwụrụ Maazị Kai mere unu ihe na-eme unu. Ọwụrụ nwa mere unu ihe na-eme unu. Ọwụrụ nwa onye si unu gaga declare cha Biafra na Finland.
My brother, tell them.
Ọwụrụ Maazị Kai. Ọwụrụ Maazị Kai bere ba osu unu gazara gacha Finland ga declare cha Biafra pụtakwazi size na Biafra bụ Baba Dash, USB bụ Baba Dash. Ọwụrụ Maazị na Kanu di enu n'ozi ahụ. Ihe Maazị na Kai na-eme wepụta nweta ozi ya ọbịa na platform ya ahịa bịa gwa ụmụ Biafra lekpekpe ihe dị on board yotago yobe ya analyze onye nwa dịrị arụ ala onye nwa dịrị unu ozi so ihe unu ga-eme unu niile ndị anọ ebe anga na comment section na-aga ebe akwa ihe unu ga-eme sọsọ unu ga-eme only unu ga-alakpuo unu ngwongwo ji wee mara unu akụwasịana yotago my point anyị nọ under nation building nkịta now eri declare na Biafra na eri declare ego ya I know that nation building now. If you don't want to be part of this nation building, Gaga John and the one Nigeria. Can one Nigeria happen not to you? Give on them. Asatina, please continue.
Onyezioku, in fact, you could juggle everything. Nation building. If I know in a national level, that struggle. I know you struggle. I pity these people, honestly. But like you said,
if I can amend my conversation, I'm on me na video no.
Hello, yeah. Okay. Yeah. This one speak more than well. No comment, but I can't speak in volume.
On the fallback,
I will fall back.
On the fallback, on the fallback, Tyrian comment section.
Mba. I'm just working the 4 minutes. After my comment,
exactly.
It was
explain here. Fall back again, send the word here. Fall back again, send the word
there. Okay, na kita.
Yeah.
Maka naka mechi glass ọ na-aba. Emechi glass on a balancamba. So the person members a glass and the different game.
Enwe my idea now. Enwe my idea here. But I want to understand here my idea because here how they reply to the fallback. You need not gonna give me a comment section. You understand? I reply to them. I am ready to have challenge. I am ready to have challenge. Once in a second, what they are there. How about buying film? Kainene. How about film now? Challenge come na to ha. How about buying film? Ka go do. Ka go do ngbere ha yiwere uniform. Ka go dia.
Ima lekwa anya ka ngwa ga another thing. Ha ebidogo these people aghọgburu onwe ha. Ha ebidogo n'ụtụtụ wee gwawa gị that enwe need to celebrate independence while ndị isi agha abụọ nọ n'ahịa because they know they are not preparing anything. You understand? Ebugo ụzọ wee ma ọkwa dị oke mkpa. So ebe ahụ ka the koko nọ. They are not preparing anything.
And I'm not 30th of May. With embassy.
Now Condi gosiri something on. We are waiting for them. Yesterday. They will still come for it. They will come and fight it. But Habiano, I hag with the Haji fight any idea. You ask again, you don't build on nothing. Now that grammar, honestly. You can never build on nothing. You can't build on nothing. Mane ezioku. Ezioku. So, Mazi Kai, the way have the habit. Yes, it's a topic, my dear brother. You're very broad, very broad. Yeah, so Mazi Kai one them the way no had a comment to give you Besaraga Quarry. Because very good. And the response, this dog, this short clip, oh maka, how much how British you get it, that's all you can do for them, honestly, because Anna a gossip mado. I mean, here banaka and they have already seen it that USB is the way forward. Is the way forward. Is the way forward. There will be no declaration of Biafra again. So the earlier they get that, they will get over this emotion. The earlier they get that, they will get over this emotion. How this is now emotional. How Abiazina na your comment section. Na a comment with sentiment.
I'm going to find the money. How did in case of the super forget I will leave it because I come with daughter.
Honestly. And people are not here. I hear Boji went to any Lucy. I happy Kenyura. I got so happen na Mazi Kai because you know na social media. Oh yeah, my brother.
Almost 80% in here. More just because you got here, what a game a minute. You got game on that Nachibi Kubunelushina comment session. What a you got to go. Hana Chibru the whole aggression na Bogia. Bozeke no kwa betri ye nebe ha. Ura so kwa. Una ma how devil unda do. You have a love him matter. You know how devilish unda de. I want to go. They did it to me. Mu aburia bua tukura ha ya bag. So no woro mu amelunu. Awo mu amelunu one. Because we want them. I want how one. Asante na kichi takwara bad na agwa chinda one. Na agwa
I agwara hofu ka abo tego.
How many months agwara ha?
Ayeta.
Still yet they went ahead. Kita na okwa go hanelishi. How bruise the thing buba zere akai. Huh? So say you get get you one say because naka get the culture no kwa go na eme ihe na eme get buru show we both spiritually and physically.
My brother, I didn't make you go no ngwa na eji enough handkerchief and tissue. Oh, one of them, if I had a one double, only had a guy and I'm opening when you buy and putting what you're
As in anya
I my order and what I just cut yegi. You would have to go there.
Maazị onye nwekwere nnukwu anya ga-eni di drum. So wepụtakwere ha drum. Ka na-ebeji ya di ya. Hey, biko ụmụnne m daalụ na obi atọgbugo m honestly. Daalụ nụ maazị. Ndị maazị maazị. Ndewo.
Ma like if my like ịgwa gị na emeche.
Okay, nsogbu adị.
God good.
Ka ọ dị ndewo my brother.
Ndewo. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time.
Na nwanne egwu anyị fọmụrụ that egwu a dị wa machine ka ọ jide nke ije no.
Nam. Anything for Biafra. Anything for Biafra.
That was a great job indeed. Great job. Jide nke ije.
Daalụ ndewo.
All love. Masikai. Masikai, are you there?
Sorry, I'm not on move to my mic.
Okay.
Udodi.
Now, one day you watch.
But what are we going to gain?
These people are. I don't know. You watch these people because we are passing message to Biafrans at the same time. They are listening from us.
Yeah.
And they thank God that this way we put them very, very happy. But this way we put this their rubbish comment. I don't ever rubbish here. Because they actually be rubbish the government. And we are not going to allow that to happen. Any place I believe fine with the nonsense. All it is our duty to rubbish them. We go on a mad no kata bia we na bia chi rubbish again. Na one ga maziga ga bank it mad rubbish again. You got ban it. You go. You got bank it. Because anything nobly for how they said against this our government. Anyu with the cities now ka na akpare. You go. So odinda there is nothing like even abia a pentry word or even a baby no bebe. Now one day, Oto hand is a nonsense, we don't nonsense a coup at back to honor her.
100%.
Area de shit.
100%.
You're the hammer. I wouldn't manage who manage because the Hana manage Ranyoku. And I manage Ranyoku. You're the go. I won't even allow self now one actually bandau. Actually, because I'll be a drum my if I got in a comment section. I be back on my place now. Go to nonsense today. Eh? Go to a mother touch our photo no kita whip that time ago. Whip tire data whip time put was stream yard. Muanya no ya. Eh? Whip information. No way na go yeah, walk my jack again and room go on. Now Sabu Biafrans with Toby Ocha. Someone have not been drinking nonsense in a comment section. And I've been pentro no. Onto what level now? Eh? Onto what level? Somebody that they are not contributing one dime. They are not contributing one dime to what we are doing. They are not even contributing one dime, even in this channel. Eh? They are not the one even finding information for you. If I get a chaff with something, somebody now one
They can go to contribute for themselves. Can they go women and mad?
I don't tell you when I just I gonna lay cost on illusion, I gonna lay cost on them because these people are evil.
And I may lay cost this able cost or balloon. I believe in my brother. I believe.
When they continue, they will mass.
Every
the on kind of final rendition.
No, again.
The program of the on can final rendition now. I know.
I'll find. I have 1 or 2 hours now. More, I'm not 2 hours. Come on, I like him now.
Okay.
Unless we know what those were they have. So, but for now, we are I know it's not ending.
Okay. When you're actually cool.
So we are ending now.
Okay. Once again,
I just
can you my final rendition up here, Abby?
yeah, please do.
Okay. Divine Precious, I see you there.
Divine Precious.
Margaret, when we see you. Thank you. Good evening and happy Sunday from you. Please, dear friends, as you have joined this program, if you have never liked this program, please do it now. Please do it. It's very, very important to like this program. Share the program. And maybe if this is your first time, you can as well subscribe. What we normally do here, we come here, we sacrifice our time, we sacrifice our resources, we even sacrifice our channel to come and speak to we Biafrans. And what we are doing here, we are doing it voluntarily. You understand? We are not being paid by anybody, but people, in their own very different ways, they can support the channel, maybe through super chat, and say, please, well done, and use this to help in buying StreamYard. It is also highly welcome. You understand? That is the only way you can support the channel, and also liking the program. These two ways, liking the program, you can as well support through super chat, because sometimes go StreamYard there. But we are not asking anybody. It's something that you're supposed to do willingly or voluntarily. If you don't have, you don't even need to worry yourself. All you need to do is to support the program by liking it. So that like can be very, very important. You want to go? So if you come to the program and you see that this program is going on and you are one of us, you believe in USB, you believe in what we are telling you is the truth, and you are without liking it, one not quite winch. To be honest, we cannot go 1 year winch. All the very, very simple. So you feel an part of us, because this is the movement of the people, by the people and for the people. In the middle why. If we cannot encourage ourselves, encourage. Preach. Preach is in out there. You go. Oh, now like watch now, Africans now they don't celebrate their heroes. And they would their heroes. USB is going to change all those narratives. I'm not going to celebrate why. If you're not either in broadcasting, support that person. Now, click by liking, and you will get support by super chat. You watch and no before. Not these former people they find here now. They fall back here. If you watch them before, United States of Biafra, they made a lot of things. United States of Biafra government, Briggy, when PM was around, and some of them go. Some of them are a plane, I got a barra ticket, hotel. Some of them I go to a gadget for them to help the gospel. At the end of the day, they had you watch government to go. All betrayal. All of them have left. Name them. They are left. Only they when they knock it out now. All independent media when they go through the struggle. Without being paid though. I will not be a China, I know the honor. Look at somebody like Mazikai. Look at somebody like me. Look at somebody like Humble Lion. Look at somebody like Kelena TV. Look at somebody like Ezekona. Look at somebody like Linky Agnes. Look at somebody like Rose. Look at somebody like Super Chat. Name them. These people are independent media. They are just serving with their own channel, voluntarily. Now, they defend the Ezoku.
Divine Precious.
I'm telling you, and how the consistent to and the government and you when they don't even send you because they believe in equity, they believe in fairness, they believe in justice, they believe in progress, and I like in about making them mad. That is we are talking about. We stood firm, defended the government here. You have to go. So when they put out this kind of people, I this kind of heart here fine with it. You know, Katagina be tira, or no Katagina talk a part to the channel, get out the channel which okay. One I'm Bogono, on one gere. If you open up a mouth and curse you on a game, because when you're Jaimer, and when you're Jaimer, you're talking my point. Any person not believe for now work against this project, if I know on email, millions of people are one there, and you're only one of the medias. Imagine your purpose as a media. When no one actually can go on, you are blessed with your mouth. You can go to the town. We don't go put any informer at this government here. We don't go and put any informer. Madrid community, Madrid, this is our national number. That is what makes you a genuine Biafran. Young one who now this Biafran government. Uruku can gatrani ije, gatrani forma. What are we talking about here? You wouldn't waka. What I can't try on Roma. Go to get where we don't need to put none as a Biafran. Instead of each year, we improve one another. Get where another one another winch. One, if you are such as a Biafran, repent now. Today was Sunday, you know, so much in a Kenna. Another moment like the get that la more. It can be smarter and be better than Prodigal Son. Prodigal Son later came back to his senses. He said, I'm going to go back to my father. Now I can see that the one I have sinned against heaven and earth, and I have also sinned against him. At least Kewan was here under the servant, or chose who's a son. Because so much I really with easy. You watch a name and keep as well. This video can say Fanny Lanya. Prodigal Son can wear brain. They don't want to come back to their senses. When I eat my mind for now, they wouldn't to go. When I went, no.
Reverend Ezra, thank you so much. I appreciate you. God bless you. Fred, our own Fred is here with us. Fred Ndukwe, you're welcome. Have the mic.
Nah, all Biafrans, Mnekelunu, so much. Kai and Exodus, Mnekelunu, Ebodiuku. Yeah, the Almighty is on the throne. Unadila discourage. Okay, when ha many we many because when a mixed multitude, even Cheta that in Israel, na Ghana, Alekwe Hanankwa, and when a mixed multitude that stand by to discourage them, in or about Tobias and Sambala. So, one position. So, he had Hamahadewa, they are heaping curses on themselves. The Almighty Marande Wundinkeya. Nde Gabhana Biafra. Ndị emene marked out for destruction. They are marked out for destruction. There's no remedy, you know. That's how some people are. A lot of people they will behind racing to the enemy. They have sold their soul to the enemy. They cannot be, they cannot be salvaged anymore. You know, so all that is happening will happen. But we are not ignorant of devil's devices. We are not ignorant of the devices of people that say they have fallen back. People that want to draw us back. We are not ignorant of their devices. But at the end, we will see who is who. So keep on pushing. Mazi Kai, Mazi Exodus. The Almighty Gabu Nume, when we're going to many something for the right thing that will lose his reward. Evil people will reap their evil, and when there is no way in life that darkness will overcome light. Frankly, no way. And again, Mekwano, so they are just wasting their time serving their master, but at the end they will take the reward. Thank you so much, and keep.
God bless you.
Pushing.
Thank you for your support. Your super chat. I really appreciate you.
It's okay. It's just a token.
God bless you. God bless you.
Thank you.
Today I shift our prayer today. I shift our prayer today. Or next week.
Yeah, I am hono. Because for the prayer, some be that na I know I can on a mood for the independence. Yeah. It's good. It's good, my brother.
Can I celebrate next week?
Exactly.
Exactly. Thank you so much. Thank you, my brother.
Yeah,
God bless you.
Thank you so
God
much.
bless you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you, Fred. Thank you. We appreciate.
So we are gonna end it here. Thank you all for your time. Exodus, God bless you, and all of you on the comment section. Our own sister Asatena. This if said them that, and I like them. Yeah. I will send it to Exodus because I'm Exodus to have life any moment from now. So I will send it to him. Thank you so much. Thank you, dear friends. Thank you all of you on the comment section. As in wife. Chineke Gozegi, thank you for your support. And all of you that like the video, please, if you have not, please, if you have not liked the video, please do. We have only 71 people that have liked the video, and we have spent 2 hours plus here. Okay, please, if you have not done that, because normally I always want to have at least 100 likes before I end my live stream. But because of today is different, we are different shift today. Let's just do it willingly. God bless you all, and see you again. Keep your eyes on the channel, and please Exodus, join Exodus as well as I don't know, my brother. When are you going to start your program?
The next 3 hours. 3 hours. Yeah.
Okay, next 3 hours. Okay, so keep your eyes on that as well. God bless you and take care of yourself. Bye bye for now.
Thank you. Good night.
What we're going to gain is that every document that we are going to generate from this convention become legal document that we'll be using for the political approach and diplomatic approach for the Biafra independence and recognition. This document will be sent to the United Nations. This document will be sent to the U.S. Department of State, U.S. or every department that foreign department, the Congress and all that. We have it. European Union and every other region that we feel that needed to have it to support Biafra at the UN. That's where the whole thing is going to start. Only then Biafra will have a name. Now it is only noise we're making. And Nigeria have understood this very well. They know where I'm going. And that's why they are restless. But I'm watching them.
Divine Precious, come back. I can see you are knocking at the door. Come back. I want to hear from you. Come back.
I'm going. And that's why they are restless. But I'm watching them.
Divine Precious, are you there?
What we're going to gain is that every document that we are going to generate from this convention become legal document that we'll be using for the political approach and diplomatic approach for the Biafra independence and recognition. This document will be sent to the United Nations. This document will be sent to the U.S. Department of State, U.S. or every department that foreign department, the Congress and all that. We have it. European Union and every other region that we feel that needed to have it to support Biafra at the UN. That's where the whole thing is going to start. Only then Biafra will have a name. Now it is only noise we're making. And Nigeria have understood this very well. They know where I'm going. And that's why they are restless. But I'm watching them.
Divine Precious, are you there? Okay. Ezen wife, thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. And as Satina said, PM Simon Ekpa, thank you so much for bringing us this far. Yes, so God bless you. God bless you. Our PM Simon Ekpa is exactly what the USB government is doing right now. Of course. Ocean Master, you are welcome. Mute your mic, Ocean Master.
Ndewo Maazị Kai. Ndewo. Na ọkwa egwu anyị ji wee bịa kịta anyị erie n'ogbuma. Anyị nwe ụmụ Biafra. Anyị erigo ogbuma. So onwezi ha amụsụ ya eme anyị. That is that. Nna nwanne m, I'm very happy. I'm very happy na ENM photo. Amara m na m na-run behind the schedule. But it's all well. So the program is very good, and we are in the mood of celebration, and we'll continue to celebrate. Almost one day back, I did the aqua here. Got a good. Never carry a mask. I became new tissue. I'm one tissue is in your bucket. At least, can I win your dear? Man, we hide the gym. So
I'm not if you could.
No, ask him that now. In the mood of celebration. With the genuine Biafrans. And besides, now I want the Biafran. I already go Obama. So now I carry Amusu. You understand? Just from every in now. anyị lụrụ Ogboma karịa amụsụ. So always in the comment section or wherever they want to cry. They only have their best salary because you have tissue in the nuku. Carol, when they clean.
Dry tissue and all kinds of that.
Then also a dry tissue draw. Have you could all have a bucket? The dang, I guess, where we need the media. I went California. So, dear friends, we are in the mood of celebration, and that celebration continue because Biafra have come to stay. In Biafra, Africa is liberated. In Biafra, black race is redeemed and liberated. In Biafra, the whole world is liberated from the shackles of the terrorism because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Mazi Simon have said it, that the freedom of Biafra means the end of terrorism in Africa, in Nigeria, and in the world at large. And that is what it means. Because I know today, that these terrorists, Boko Haram, Fulani herdsmen terrorists, ICIC, or whatever you call them, all of them have a march, converge in Nigeria to make sure that they take what is in the soil of Biafra land in order to fortify their terrorism around the globe. But the Biafran government, the Biafran people, we are stopping them, and we must stop them. So the world, America, the leading country of the world, Russia, China, whichever continent you come from, support and recognize this USB Biafran government so that we will be all free from this terrorism, these people that are coming to lay their hands on our resources in order to harm the world. We will not allow them. Not in these generations, not in the generations to come, not in million years to come. We must stop them permanently. That is what it is. Mazikai, thank you. Mazi Exodus, Onyoma, I salute you especially, Mwada Satina, and all the Biafrans. Since our image program, Mazi Exodus, then I just ran in. I will just conclude it like this and say that Biafra, we are blessed. Biafra, we are blessed. And Biafra has come to stay. There's nothing anybody can do about that. The only thing you can do yourself, the only good you do yourself is to join this Biafra trend and put your hands, make it go viral, support it in whichever way you can, either by your preaching good news about it, preaching the good work that the Biafran government is doing, supporting with your financially most needed, financially and prayerful, and all other means you can for the positive, not negative. Thank you. May God bless us all as we support
Thank
the
you.
Biafra.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Ocean Master. God bless you and reward you. I appreciate your time. Happy Independence and happy weekend to you. Take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hey,